Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to
Hi guys,
go.
welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Never dies, Mr. Gray Skies.
The hair I have is Sensational Cloud 9 Swiss Lace, and this is Audry. I have it in the color T1B Silver Gray. Let me go ahead and take this unit from the box.
I sense you behind me.
The cap has 2 combs at the back, an adjustable strap, and 2 combs on either side on the front.
As tears run down my face.
This is how the wig looks straight from the back. I'll go ahead and put the wig on.
It was all a dream. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on.
As you all can see, the hair came with baby hair. The hairline is pre-plucked. It is undetectable lace, and it is a hair-to-hair lace. So far as I can see, the cap size is definitely big head friendly, because if it fits my head, guys, you know it's big head friendly.
You took
I'll go ahead and secure the hair to the back so I can lay the lace with my Got2b glue.
too much power.
I'll be using 2 layers of Got2b glue to lay the hair. So once the first layer is half dried, I'll apply another layer, and when that is half dried, I'll secure the lace.
Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray.
Now that I got all this glue out of the way, I'm just going ahead and try to melt this lace.
Don't take it personally. I did this for me. I did this for me. I did this for me. Don't take it personally. I did this for me. I did this for me.
This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this
Now I'll use the scissors to cut the lace.
I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now, you don't have to put on makeup every day. And I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smile.
A girl got to lay the baby hair, guys, and I'm not talking about those frequent teenager or grandma hair, just some simple baby hair.
Eat
am adding my Maybelline Fit Me powder to the lace. With this hair, you can style it in the middle. You can part it on both sides, or you can style the hair without a part. I don't like middle parts, so I'll be styling my hair to the side. I'll go ahead and add some mousse to the hair.
Stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be. You and me, so
I am going in with my Hero Care Walk Stick to get rid of the flyaways. I am using the Got2b glue to give the hair a little volume in the front, guys. I am adding some powder to the parting space. This is my final thoughts about the unit. I am in love with the wig. It is big and friendly. The color is amazing. I love the color. The curls are popping. I love these curls. It doesn't look synthetic, guys. Synthetic where? It sheds a little, guys. I don't know if it will tangle later, but at the moment it doesn't tangle. The link is in the description down below. If you're interested, you can go and check the hair out. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, leave your girls some like, share, subscribe, and all of those nice stuff. Until next time, bye.
on red high heels, you look good when you don't even try for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to change, 'cause baby I love